What do you need? There's the other arm. Ah, fuck! Oh, shit!
I think I'm stabbed.
I'm stabbed.
So am I.
Oh, fuck!
I'm telling you right now, we're gonna have to move because this is not gonna be good.
Eshawn, bro, give me my little cousin.
Around me, being around my child.
Okay, I'll read you the exact conditions, okay?
Around my child.
Okay?
Because I'm not to be in the accident. I'm the one that's there. I haven't been there. What do you mean?
Eshawn, I'll explain everything to you once you step out.
You told him he's got the bond conditions, right?
Yes. What's that?
You told him the new bond conditions?
I'm trying to explain it to him right now.
Your son gonna be fucked. Make that make sense. You cannot, bro. Let my cousin out the car.
I know you're trying to help, but yelling isn't going to help, okay?
Eshawn, as a man, bro, you gonna have to deal with this,
Can you do me a favor and just step in there and let me
He's not even in a car seat, Eshawn. What are you doing? Oh my God.
Look at my child. I got my child from my cousin.
He's not even in a car seat. What are you doing? Put my cousin on that car. He needs to get a stop yelling at him. Stop.
This is where things start unraveling fast. The suspect isn't just resisting. He's emotionally charged, and there's a child involved. It's a volatile mix.
Just listen to me for a second. Listen, we have probable cause to believe you violated your bond. You are under arrest for a bond violation. Okay? You are under arrest. Okay? So if you can,
bro, we're not.
you know, listen, you know how it works. If you refuse, you're gonna get a
You have to kill me because I ain't break the law.
you're getting a resisting
Y'all
charge.
gonna have to kill me.
Okay? We will take you out of the car. Okay? Unlock the door.
You can hear it in the officers' voices. They're trying to de-escalate, but he's not listening. And every second that passes puts that child at more risk.
Is it drive?
Yeah, he keeps changing gears. I don't want to break the window because the kids.
I know. Break the back window and see if you can. We're gonna break your window and take you out of the car. We're breaking your window and taking you out.
You said what?
We're gonna break your window and drag you out of the car unless you unlock the door right now.
Bro?
I told you, you're under arrest.
Alright, I hope y'all ready for that, bro, because y'all kicked my window in. I'm not going down. It's gonna be more than just a resisting of arrest, bro. Y'all gonna have to take me out this bitch in a body bag, I promise you.
Just unlock the
car.
Y'all gonna have to kill me.
Unlock it.
Y'all gonna have to kill me. Y'all better run my record. Y'all gonna have to kill me. If y'all hurt my son in the process, I promise you.
Unlock the car.
I'm gonna do something to one of y'all.
Unlock the car right now.
I'm gonna do something to
Unlock it right now. Unlock the car.
Put the kid down.
When someone starts saying, "You'll have to kill me," officers know they've crossed from non-compliance into danger, and there's a toddler in the back seat.
You're going to jail. You're trying to use him as a shield.
I'm not using my child as a shield at all.
So let's be a man.
You're just not giving me an explanation.
We're not giving you a choice.
In the time, no, you're not giving me an explanation, and you're telling me a lie. You're telling me I've been in her house.
You were.
How have I been in her house?
We talked to the witnesses.
You
You were
guys
there.
came earlier. You guys came earlier.
And they told us you were there.
I seen you guys.
That's probable cause.
No, but listen.
I'm gonna break your window. Are you gonna unlock the door? Yes or no? I'm about to break your window. Are you gonna unlock the door, or I'm gonna smash your window open?
And then you have your son.
Are you gonna unlock
Think about
it?
that.
Because you're putting my son in danger.
I'm gonna smash your window open.
Then unlock it.
Then unlock the door.
Unlock the door.
Then unlock the door, or I'm gonna smash your window open. And we're gonna pull you out.
I'm gonna tase you first, and then we're gonna drag you out.
I'm telling you, bro.
No, I'm telling you.
No, you guys
don't have a choice.
No, because listen.
You don't have a choice, Eshawn. There's nothing to listen to. We're done.
I understand that, but you're telling me that.
You don't understand it.
Yes, I do.
Because you're still holding your kid. Put your child down and open the door.
Listen.
Open the door.
Can you just listen? Because
No.
Open the door, yes or no? Like literally. I'm not.
Are you going to open the door?
I'm trying to obey this shit.
Are you gonna open the door?
Yes, bro. I'm gonna open
Then
the door
open
for
it.
you.
No.
Bro, right now. I'm trying to obey this shit, bro.
If you're gonna open
I'm
that
trying to
door,
obey this
Open the
shit.
door.
Over there, so
Bro, I'm trying to obey this shit.
Set your
bro.
son down over there and
I'm
open the
trying to
door.
obey this shit.
Now.
East side.
Now.
Listen, bro, like, no.
Do it now.
I literally have bond papers right here.
Open it.
I'm literally trying to obey this shit, bro.
Then open it. Let's look at him.
You're trying to let you what?
Let us look at him. Open the door and come out here.
Right here, bro. Right here. I'm gonna grab him right here. Literally bond papers for me just going to court defense. That says I can't be around her.
Right.
I haven't lived
That's what you're under arrest for.
I haven't been around her though.
You're at the address.
Cause to know that you're around her. I haven't been around her.
Last chance,
I got my son, bro.
The suspect keeps shifting gears, threatening violence. Officers are stuck. Wait too long. The child's in danger. Act too fast. It could all go wrong.
You're gonna go to jail.
This shit ain't right
Go.
here. Come on. My bond right here.
Get out of the car.
My bond right here. Are you gonna get out or no? My bond.
You gonna get out of the car?
My bond's right here, bro. My bond's right here, bro. My bond's right here. I haven't been around her. Ask her.
Put your son
My
down.
bond's right here.
Put your son
I
down
haven't been
now.
around her. Ask her. Fucking kid. You a public servant. Bond's right here.
Have Scott do it.
Scott, do it.
Yeah.
Hey, do it on your side.
Do it on your side because the kid's over here. Church, go over there with him.
Go give Scott.
Yeah. If you could hit the back and reach in and get the door.
Bro, this is a James
There's an unlock. I think there's
Either unlock, the handle's right there. The handle's right there next to the B pillar.
I haven't been around her. This is fucking injustice.
Eshawn, just unlock the door so we don't have to smash the window.
This is fucking injustice for
Just
what?
unlock the door or we're gonna have to
what?
smash your window.
This is fucking injustice, bro.
It's not. It's a
For
condition
what?
from a judge,
It's
okay?
injustice. The judge said I couldn't be around her.
Okay.
This is injustice.
You know what your conditions are. You can't be at the
I haven't been
house.
around
You're
her.
under arrest.
I haven't been around
That decision
her.
is not changing.
I haven't been around her, bro.
Listen, that decision is not changing.
I've been around
You
her.
can't talk your way out of it. You are going to jail tonight.
I have not been around her. I have
Eshawn,
not been around her.
You are putting your child in
I
this
have not
position.
been around her,
Okay?
bro.
This is on you. This is on you.
Unlock it! Unlock it!
All right, hit it. Hit the window. Hit the window. Taser.
Taser! Taser!
Pop this one too.
You hear it, screams, glass breaking, then chaos. In a matter of seconds, everything the officers were afraid of happens.
What do you need? There's the other arm. Ah, fuck! Oh, shit.
I think I'm stabbed.
I'm stabbed.
So am I.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, 321, get medical here now. I think we were stabbed.
I need to put a tourniquet on.
I got it.
I need to put a fucking.
Hey, get Sally now. I got it. Get Sally. Get Sally.
Scott, I need a tourniquet on.
I got him. Steve, get Sally. Hey, we're single four.
So suck your stupid ass kid. Come in.
I can't get this cuff on.
Jackson North.
I got it. You're good. I got it.
Copy 045.
321. We're gonna need at least 2 rigs.
You good?
I don't know.
Where?
Lower left. You good? You good?
This moment is hard to watch. Officers stabbed, bleeding, but still trying to keep control. You can feel how quickly it went from verbal resistance to life-threatening violence.
We transport 37 to the hospital.
You are under arrest for a bond violation.
Bro, they say you're under arrest. Go do that crummy night and deal with it. You're gonna have arraignments the next day. Just deal with it.
Listen, you know how it works. If you refuse, you're gonna get arrested.
I'm gonna stay right here. I'm not gonna say nothing else. I'll be quiet. I just look. My little cousin's right here. That's my blood. Okay. Anything extra happens with my cousin in the driver's seat, y'all do anything extra?
We ain't doing nothing extra, man. We're just the less people that we got around here, the better. Man, can you please wait up on the sidewalk for me?
Nephew, let me take him. Let me take him. Okay, okay. Let me take him. Let me take him. Let me take him.
I told you you're under arrest for a bond violation. Okay?
Any way you can pop his hood?
We can't.
No.
Stop the car right now.
Mom.
Sit dry.
You got it.
Mom.
It's in park. It's in park. It's in park.
He's not gonna pull off.
I don't want to.
He's not gonna pull off.
We're gonna break your window and take you out of the car.
Come here. We're
If you do that, look, I'm asking you right now, if you break that window, one of them better unlock that door so I can grab my nephew.
Even after the attack, Langston keeps using his son to shield himself. It's disturbing, and the officers are still trying to handle it with restraint.
We're gonna pull you out. I'm gonna tase you first, and then we're gonna drag you out. No, I'm telling you. You don't have a choice. You don't have a choice, John. There's nothing to listen to. We're done. You don't understand it. Because you still hold your kid. Put your child down and open the door. Open the door. Are you going to open the door, yes or no? Are you going to open the door? Are you going to open the door? Then open it. Now. Open it right now.
If you're gonna open that door, just
get on the sidewalk
over there so the officer can grab him.
Set your son down over there.
Can you guys get him back on the sidewalk?
Hurry! Come up here, baby. Watch her on the sidewalk.
I'll stay over here. I'll stay 10 feet away, but I'm not getting on the sidewalk.
Let's look at him. Let's look at him. Open the door and come out here. Right, yes, that's what you're under arrest for.
I haven't been around her. We have probable cause to go get around her.
Last chance, you got it. Last chance. I'm breaking your window. Are you open? You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased.
Hey, don't do that with my nephew right there, because I'm putting the fuck out of you. I swear to God, if you tase him, if you tase him with my nephew in his lap, we will have a problem.
Put your son down now.
I do not care. What do you mean? He has a fucking kid in his hand, and he's gonna fucking tase him. I'll blow your shit out, bro. What the fuck you mean? That's my nephew right there, bro. What the fuck you mean? Tase him and blow you. Tell him to put that fucking taser down. Tell that nigga to put the taser down.
Get the car so I can turn the car off. Grab my baby! Grab my baby! Grab my baby! Grab my car! Turn the key off.
Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Freddie, back him up, okay? Back up.
You just swung on one arm, man. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. All I tell you, you're a bitch. Hey, you're a bitch. Fuck you too. Fuck you too. Scott, he's picking up. I got him. Steve, get Sully.
2 officers were injured but survived. The child, thankfully, Setsa was unharmed. But this is a haunting example of how quickly a routine arrest can turn into a near-fatal crisis.